Welcome to our guide on how to mute group messages on Instagram using your PC, especially after the latest update. If you find yourself overwhelmed by constant notifications from group chats, this feature is perfect for you. Let's dive into the steps you need to follow. First, open Instagram on your computer. You can do this by navigating to the Instagram website and logging into your account. Once you're in, you'll see the familiar layout that allows you to connect with friends and family. Next, look for the messages icon on the left menu. This icon resembles a paper airplane and is your gateway to all your direct messages. Click on it to open your message inbox. Now locate the group chat that you want to mute. Scroll through your messages until you find the specific group conversation that has been causing those pesky notifications. Click on it to open the chat. Once you're in the group chat, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see an info icon. This is where you can manage settings for this conversation. Click on this icon to access more options related to the group chat. Finally, it's time to enable mute messages. In the settings menu that appears, you should see an option labeled Mute Messages. Toggle this option on, and voila! You have successfully muted notifications from this group chat. You will still be part of the conversation, but won't receive any alerts or notifications about new messages. By following these simple steps, you can take control of your Instagram messaging experience and enjoy a more peaceful interaction with your friends without constant interruptions. Remember, muting a group chat doesn't remove you from it. It simply silences the notifications so you can check in at your convenience. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on navigating social media effectively.